Come on.
I'm not here to talk about Mr. Ronnie. How
Nice.
about that? Nice.
Just the last name of your client.
It's a client that I have on docket for tomorrow.
Okay.
His name's Richard Blanco. It's a DWI and a UCW. Sean looked at it, emailed me an offer. The reason I'm here today is because I've got to be in Brazoria tomorrow for a felony.
Okay.
So I just wanted to see if I can preemptively talk to the court, have Mr. Blanco come in tomorrow, and then I was going to have Mr. Holtzman appear on Zoom, if that's okay.
Sure.
And that way he can,
It's a first setting.
it's a first setting.
Yeah,
it's
yeah, of
arraigned,
course.
And so.
You can zoom in too.
I know, I just don't, I'm gonna be down there doing a felony plea, so I don't know how available I'll be.
Whatever you want.
Okay, I mean, is there anything that we need to do now while I'm here?
No.
I'll waive PC.
Oh, yeah. Actually, why don't you give a date to Victoria so she knows what you want?
Okay.
That way we'll just reset it and we'll,
And that way he can just be here.
you can just be here with, do the conditions and then go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay,
Have you done an attorney record yet?
yes.
Okay, great.
Yes. Okay, all right, thanks,
Okay,
Judge.
sure. Hi, are you ready? Come on up.
My client is in the, it's for a lady, Mr. Flores.
Okay, they're getting him? Okay, he's coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it a true first?
Yes, sir.
Do you need the cause number?
I gave it from
You did? Okay.
Yeah, we came prepared to that.
We'll do them, we can do them both at the same time.
Right, but it's really damaged.
Hey, on Ross, you're going to dismiss the second case? I guess you're gonna dismiss is Mr. Ross your client?
Yeah.
They're going to dismiss the AFM.
Yes.
On the VPO, it is a family member, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I'm gonna do an affirmative finding. Okay, Mr. Flores, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 34 days you have done. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this forever. You can never change your mind or undo this. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
Likewise with you, Mr. Ross. How do you plead to this offense, guilty or not guilty, Mr. Flores? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. You need to understand that this is an enhanceable offense. That means this is going on your record. If you pick up any further DWIs, it is a minimum of 30 days in jail. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Ron.
Thanks, Mr. Fernandez. And Mr. Ross, come on up. Sir, you're charged with a violation of a protective order. You're also charged with assault of a family member. The agreement that you have worked out is they're going to dismiss the assault case in exchange for your plea on the violation of a protective order. Understand that a successive violation of a protective order within a year, you're looking at a third-degree felony. This also carries an affirmative finding of family violence, meaning that you can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this plea bargain agreement as well. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, the right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. As part of the plea bargain agreement, they're dismissing the assault you're pleading to the VPO. It is 105 days in jail with credit for the 35 days that you have done. Is this how you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Like I said, there's an affirmative finding of family violence. Don't pick up any new cases. You understand? All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Carl. You too. Take care. Hi, Sean.
Good morning, huh?
You ready?
Yeah, how are you, Joe?
Doing great. How are you?
Good, good. Okay, that's right.
I come up. I don't know how much you know about this gentleman.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I don't know how much you know about this gentleman, but he is 33 years old. This now is his 27th case. He is on bond and has 2 open cases in Fort Bend County for the same thing within 1 year. It is a 4th criminal mischief. Deputy, I'm finding your bond wholly insufficient. I don't think that there's any non-financial conditions that will protect our community and that you will abide by. You have repeatedly shown that you are incapable of, look at me, self-control. Mr. Gatterson, of all the cases over the last couple years, one thing is evident and one thing only. Self-control has a. I want you to look at me so we are on the same page. Self-control is a killer. And there are many people in TDC now doing life because of the lack of self-control. 27 cases, and you're 33 years old. That's nearly 1 case for every damn year you have been alive. At some point, we got to say when, but it's just not fair to everyone else. You understand? We do what we do for a reason, not out of hate, not out of spite, but I don't know what we need to do to get a hold of you so that you understand that something catastrophic at some point is going to happen and you will have dug yourself such a deep hole, your butt's never going to crawl out of. It's unacceptable. No, I know that you're going to tell me it's rainbows and gumdrops. Stop. Stop. Mr. Gatterson, paper tells me everything because actions speak louder than words. And 29 in 33 years of life. No more.
If I may, just.
Sure.
In my client's opinion, Your Honor, the majority of those cases were dismissed, Your Honor. So I understand that there were arrests, but that a lot of them did not lead to final convictions. Over half of them, probably, I think, probably 70% were dismissed, Your Honor. So I would ask the court to take that into consideration as well. Keep in mind, Your Honor, even though he does have these, there are cases in Fort Bend County. There's still a presumption of innocence, Your Honor. I do understand that he had a history with the same types of crimes, but a lot of those cases were dismissed, Your Honor. So we're asking the court to take that into consideration before making a final decision on this. And so my client is indicating that, he was also, and was in the process of seeking treatment, mental health treatment, try to help deal with his anxiety and issues, John. So I think that my client understands.
I don't think so. I don't believe it. I don't think so. And I think that your bond is wholly insufficient. You have 2 open cases, and the time for you to do what you said that was way long ago. It's too late now. Sorry. I just don't think that it's a good idea with all those open cases and that it's a 4th mischief within a year. It's not a good idea. I don't think there are any conditions that we can place that will,
So what is the proposition, John? Are you setting a bond on it?
of course,
Okay.
you tell me what you want. I mean, I'll be reasonable, but I just don't think another PR bond, this, at some point, the revolving door has to stop, and it stops now. It's not fair to everybody else in this life. No, I'm okay with whatever you want within reason. What do you think?
Well, $500,
No, it's gonna be a couple thousand at least, but
do 1,000,
do 2,000,
we do 1,500, that'd be great.
sure.
Okay.
But it's not a revolving door. He will have a GPS monitor upon release with a strict curfew of 7 to 7. No contact with anyone, no dope, no alcohol, no weapons, and we'll see how it goes forward. But I need him to understand the door closes. It's not going to keep opening and keep,
From my understanding, he does have the monitoring on current report being,
and he picked up a new case. Right.
so you want to require now with 2 monitors. I'm just,
Because we can't attach to that monitor, right?
If you don't have
I
access
can't,
to the-
I don't know. I can't attach to that monitor, so I have no idea what'll happen. So, yeah, okay, thanks.
so 1,500.
1,500 bones.
All right,
Thanks.
thank you.
Hi, please, just the last name of your client. Okay, where are we at? Oh, okay. I thought I saw that. Okay, Mr. Del Rio, come up. Mr. Del Rio, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 1-year deferred. Deferred is a type of probation that if you complete successfully, there's no conviction on your record, but you need to understand, you give up nearly every right known to man entering into this agreement. If you violate said terms and agreement, you're looking at an entire year in jail. Do you understand? That means you must comply with all the classes, all the conditions, no testing positive, no weapons, no new cases. Yours is going to be tough because you have to do something what's called BIP, Batters Intervention Prevention Program. This is a class that you do once a week for 18 weeks. You can't skip. It's a curriculum that's set up for you to go once a week for 18 weeks. If you skip, they're going to kick you out and then we issue warrants. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You must also do a 4-hour anger management class. You must do a TRAS. It's an evaluation to see what other conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. No drugs, no alcohol, 10 hours of community service. Does the complaining witness want contact here?
She does, Judge, that's what we did, is no threatening, harassing.
She's okay with it?
Yes, Judge.
So there's no threatening or harassing or abusive contact with Miss Pina. Do you understand these conditions? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, right to be arraigned, charged, read in open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this until you either complete it successfully or it gets revoked. Like I said, if you do something to violate this agreement, we issue a warrant. We will put you in jail, bring you out. We will have a hearing to determine if you violated this agreement. If you do, you're looking at a year in jail. Do you understand? Anything else that you guys wanted to, you have concerns about? There's one more thing, Mr. Del Rio, and one of the most important things. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that if you ever pick up one of these cases, another one, you will be looking at a 3rd-degree felony, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. Do you understand? You can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of the plea bargain agreement as well. All right? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty. I will withhold that for 1 year. The biggest thing with this, Mr. Del Rio, is that you do stuff on time. You will be given certain times to do things, when to get it done. The probation doesn't work on your time. It works on their time. So you have to know when everything needs to get done. If you fail to complete that thing on time, a warrant issues. All right? All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, excuse.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Robinson, Terrence.
Okay. Hi. Hi.
Ours, BARR.
Okay. Bond or jail?
He's here on Monday at Fort Lee, stated PR bond.
Okay.
He was released Tuesday afternoon because he needed to take longer on. Then yesterday, his report to pretrial because there's an issue with the longer. It's fixed now. He's wanting him back here today.
We'll give you a reset. Yeah. As long as he's in compliance and everything. Yeah.
I believe police information about drug house.
Did we send him?
Well, he showed up with something I wasn't sure.
Yeah, send him and then we'll deal with it tomorrow then. I mean, if you got here super late, that's on.
We have a solution to that.
Okay.
I'm going to speak with the mental social workers about arranging transport, so that way he can get here at 8.
Okay.
Instead of.
Sure. Not a problem.
All right.
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Thanks. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Across from David, last notice, the case that I came in on Friday, going to be bottom out. It's an opt out, the cause number is 2595721.
259-5721.
Yeah.
Okay. Lasco, come up.
Go around.
Thanks. What is this? Well, no, I don't need that. That goes to the state. No, those, yeah, I mean, you keep, I don't need that. I need a PSR is what I need. Mr. Lasco, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On April 11th, 2025, officer following up on a report from the complaining witness where an alleged tracker was placed in her vehicle and whereabouts were being tracked. Complaining witness stated that she and the defendant, her husband, had just left the Astros Stadium when they got into a verbal altercation. Complaining witness stated that he was intoxicated, that the defendant was intoxicated and began to drive her and her son home. Defendant was enraged, leaned in as if to kiss her, but bit inside of her lip, causing pain. Complainant stated the defendant took her phone immediately and refused to let her call for help. Defendant then proceeded to bash her head against the dashboard as her lip began to bleed. At the hospital.
He hit her, smashed her head in the,
Dashboard. As at the hospital, the complaining witness did not want to press charges, but later stated that she said that she did that because the defendant threatened her children.
Mr. Lasco, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to have any alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using alcohol or illegal drugs, that will revoke your bond, put you in jail. I'm now issuing what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies.
It was a mistake. The report was made on April 11th. The alleged incident happened in December of, it was April of last year. And the report was made in December of this year, maybe 8 months later. Just some background information. In addition to that, this complaint was made 8 months later, right when they gave me the divorce. And she listed children and stuff inside of this report. I've talked to my client since she said this allegation was false. She ended up writing that affidavit last month, well, January, 2 months, trying to get this case removed because the things in that case weren't true.
Are they going through a divorce now?
Yes, they've already separated. So
Great.
they've been communicating. This happened a year ago. So this.
I'm still going to issue the protective order just in case, because there's a protective order and because there's a divorce going on and I don't want any more bad blood between them.
Indeed, I want you to know because they see each other every weekend for picks up and drop off. She wrote the affidavit, like it says in that paperwork. He no threat to her. She doesn't see him as a threat to her. So I don't want you to.
I don't know that. I don't know what she thinks. I'm not going to assume anything.
No, she said it right there in the affidavit, sworn by her. That's what I was trying to-
I'd like you to reach out. Before I allow contact, I want to hear it from her. I don't know who did that affidavit.
Understood.
How do I know that she did that?
Well, how are we handling? Can we do something non-harassing so we can?
Not until I know from her
pick
that
up
she
the drop
wants
off
it.
of the-
No, I get it. I want to hear it from her first because I don't know who did that affidavit. I don't know if he had his next door neighbor do it at the Burger King next door. I don't know. I'm happy to honor your wishes, but I want to hear it from her first because I don't know what she says. So, I mean, it's kind of late now, but I can have Sean, and when we get the line down, reach out to her to see what her position is. But understand, Mr. Lasko, I'm entering a protective order. If you have any kind of contact with her until we modify these conditions, I will put you in jail. I'm going to protect my community at all costs. Do not consume alcohol. Do not consume illegal drugs. You will be tested. If I find that you're using, I just have one place for you. Do you understand? I'm not asking much from you. I just, at this point, don't have any contact with her. Don't use alcohol or illegal drugs. That's it. Oh, no weapons as well. You understand? The protective order states that you cannot have any threatening or harassing contact with her. You cannot commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072. This is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. I like to honor complaining witnesses' wishes. If they seem fit to have contact, then I will allow it. But I want to hear it from them first. I don't take anybody's word for anything. In this life, you're only as good as the proof that you have. And so I don't take anyone's word as much as I like him. I want to hear from her. Do you understand? We can wait a little bit to see if they're able to get a hold of her. If not, we can wait till tomorrow. I mean, it's, just got to understand also, there's a lot of vindictive people in this life. If you're going through divorce and this case is open, do you understand? Be very careful. All right. So can you file no contact, no weapons for now, and then later on you go out and try to contact?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with him and he'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. Give me a bond that you want. I can't give him a PR bond, but tell me what.
1,000.
Sure. Okay,
Thank you.
please. So bond set at 1,000. Okay. Hi.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, what's up?
Mr. McDaniel.
Give me a second. Sure, I just,
I got a note here that.
okay, McDaniel. Okay, oof, that's old.
Yes, sir. We filed PTI in March. We did a decision. He's already done the TRAS. I just went and sat down in front of that. And she made a decision just now
Great.
and approved it.
Okay,
So that's where we're at.
so we'll give you 2 weeks to get everything done then. It's 250 days.
So I understand. It's not our fault.
So we'll give you 2 weeks and hopefully they're done within the 2 weeks.
If we get the contract, it'll be good. We'll see
So-
what knocks down.
You reach out to Bernadette, make sure that they get him the contract today or tomorrow, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, Corey,
Yes, sir.
what's up, buddy?
Miss Libby on the docket. We were here last week for her.
Is it start with an L or with
EL.
EL?
Sorry.
ELE. Okay,
She's done the class, she's done the community service, she signed the contract, she came today, she didn't pay a cashier's check. So I think she's trying to run to it. Right?
you want to roll till tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah, go for it. Not a problem. Okay, counsel, coming up.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
I really only have one case I want to address.
Just the last name.
Last name is Rogan.
Rogan in jail?
Well, kind of is in jail in Jefferson County.
Oh, this is that case.
This is that case.
What happened?
I confirmed this morning, he's still there. But I did speak with the ADA. I'd like to ask if we can reset this for about.
I don't know, man.
Before we revoke the bond, only because the VPO is based, they spoke with the CW. CW doesn't want it prosecuted because.
I'm not, that's not my concern. I don't, I'm,
I just hate to have him going back and forth with warrants here, warrants there.
actions have consequences. That's my concern more so. Did he pick up this case after that, before?
I can fill you in, Judge. He had a probation violation warrant because of this case. And there was another, he's got a probation bond denied case in Jefferson County right now. Don't have a court date. We've also got a new unadjudicated case. He's being held for $15,000. Spoken with his family, they're posting the bond. But I'm hoping if I can get this case dismissed, that
That's gonna take another couple of years out there, you know?
It could, that's what I'm hoping, Judge.
Yeah, I have to revoke it.
I understand.
Yeah. What's the cause number? I don't
It
see it.
is 260-6057.
Okay. Yeah. That was a new one out there. That's a new case after this one. So, I'll just raise it by $1.
Okay, I appreciate it.
I mean, it's not, I don't.
Yeah. I appreciate it. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, take care.
Now, first
Hey,
of all-
Mr. Glenn. Hey, good morning.
Mr. Graham.
Okay.
Graham, we asking for a short reset for evaluation purposes.
It's 220 days old. We guys have had since February to consider, sorry, since March. Do you have an offer in the case?
We do, Judge.
Is the defendant here?
Oh, he's not here, Judge.
So a week?
No, we're-
Okay, he's got to be here. It's either plea or trial. Okay, he's just really old.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay,
I have one other,
okay.
Mr. Thomas, hi, Thomas.
Okay,
This one, was supposed to refile as a felony, they have been unable to do so, I think. The chief.
I'm
Let me take a look, Judge.
going to set it for trial. I'm not going to just sit here and wait anymore. It's 160 days.
That's fine, Judge. Yep. I agree at that point.
Yeah, we would be willing to plead to the case, we express that to the state as a misdemeanor.
Yeah, I don't know why, it just. Hey, get his phone. Get his phone. I think he's recording. The gentleman in the white shirt. Can you take a look, please? It looked like he was recording. When can you get it done?
I'm sending it to that right now. I'm just not my case, Judge, but I'm aware of that, and I will try and get the chief to do that today.
I don't know how long it takes for that to happen, you know?
You wanna do it, when you go out with it?
Yeah, so I'm giving you 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
At the next setting, if it's not,
We let Bernadette is, we let her know about it too. We're the board today.
if it's not done, then by 2 weeks, really.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
All
all
right,
right,
thank you, Judge.
thanks.
Sorry.
So, yeah.
Hey, can I have a PSR, do you mind, on Lasco?
Yeah, so you have to email me misdemeanor version. It will send you a instruction for what that. But you have to tell you that we would have all. That is going on.
Based on. Because you know.
Victoria, you want to go to the list?
That's good. Please be on.
Judge, court time is asking if you can sign some of this.
Yeah, I am. I'm on it now. Yeah. Hi, Abel. You ready?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
What's up?
We approached on PC.
Okay, Last name.
Luke Kuhn, Luccun.
Luke Kuhn.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, go.
On April 13th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a family disturbance call. Officer met with complainant who has been in a relationship with defendant for 2 years. She stated he has hit her in the past, but that there were no reports. Defendant got upset at complainant for being with her brother-in-law and punched her in the face 3 times. She stated she felt pain. Complainant stated defendant also punched her son with a closed fist and threw coffee at him while she had him in her arm.
So wait, okay, so the defendant
Yes.
hits a Miss Tubak in the face 3 times.
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge,
Unless you see something I don't,
yes,
tell me.
if it pleases the court.
Yeah, okay. She is and cheating on her,
Okay.
and well, he's already talking to him. He's claiming no punching, no hitting. He does have like scratches and marks right here.
Who?
Him,
Oh,
right here. I don't know, but I think it's like scratching, right? He's like, I was just trying to get the baby away from her. I wanted the baby. And it was like, nothing happened today, but she does hit me in the, like previous, and she does hit me because she accuses me of cheating. So it seems to be like it's.
Oh, okay. Well, she got visual injuries, right? No, she doesn't have visual injuries?
So because of that, there's no visible injury. Someone gets punched in the face 3 times, you're gonna have something. And it's not. Yeah, I think that,
Is that the lone reason why you're saying that there's no problem, just because there's no visible injuries?
yes, Judge, we have someone getting punched in the face 3 times, we're gonna have something.
What's your response?
Well, she bodily injuries pain, and she stated she felt pain.
Judge.
I don't, I mean, I don't know. Could there conceivably, I mean, we don't know how hard he hit her. We don't know where he hit her.
In the face, she's saying in the face.
Yeah, but where in the face? In the eye, in the cheek, in the chin, on the lip, in the nose? I don't,
I understand.
it's very vague. I don't,
The state has offered a time served. I have told my client not to take it. He has an immigration hold.
Well, that sucks. Have you spoken to the family about maybe an immigration bond?
He has prior deportation. He had immigration court. He didn't show up to court, so he has a deportation order. Judge, we don't do it. We in this case.
Don't, and I'm not asking
Not
you,
to.
we'll get you a short trial setting.
I've told him not to. He wants to plead it out though, against my recommendation. And the state has offered a time check. And that's part of it. I think
You're not the driver though,
I am not the driver.
you know? And if you want, I can make a docket notation saying that you're against it. And I can counsel him as well.
Please.
If you waive notices, we can
I
give
will
you,
waive notice.
we can give you the quickest trial setting, 10 days,
I
you know?
told him that, but he's like, I did not show up to my immigration court and I am gonna be deported, so I already have an deportation order.
But he's not gonna get out.
He's not gonna
I mean, if he's thinking that I'm just gonna plead, just like in,
go to immigration and then be deported. So he
Oh.
knows he's being deported.
it's up to you, Abel, whatever
Judge,
you want.
I mean, I'm gonna do what he tells, like you said, I'm not
Right.
driving the car. I'm
I,
against this in every way, shape and form. Did you believe that?
I can.
I mean,
Yeah, this is unfortunate in my mind.
Herman, you ready?
Sure, you having fun? When's your next trial? How many?
One at a time, to the. Yeah.
Anything other than detail?
Yeah.
Herman, are you done now?
Yes, sir.
How's the house?
My whole, we always think of moving because,
Wait, you're moving?
No, we think about it, but. the kids
Why?
already-
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, I have that same issue. Mine are four. I have four and they're young. The oldest is 15, the youngest is 4.
Right.
When I get to the point where at least 2 to 3 of them are out, no
yeah.
way. Because you're giving all this money for property tax for what?
Well, and all the other incidentals, like,
Yeah, it's crazy.
My wife's
Everything.
European, so we'll probably end up, our goal is once we get to high school, live in Europe.
Think about just how much homeowners is. It's insanity.
Oh, no, it's why they say
And-
that's one of the worst investments. It's not even an investment. Most real financial planners say.
There was an article in the Chronicle about 2 weeks ago where more people are driving now uninsured just because the cost of
Car insurance.
car is just ballooned out of control. It's so expensive that people would rather take the chance and not getting it and you get into an accident because, really,
Well,
just
that's
the
how
cost of
people-
1 year
that's
for
what a
2
lot of doctors
cars.
Say about health insurance. Crazy. I'm sure you hear that in your home. How many, middle and upper middle class people are uninsured?
You are young, you have your life ahead of you. You're going to be working for the next 40, maybe 50 years. The decisions you now will impact everything in your life for the next 40 years. The more cases you pick up, the more bond violations. I now cannot trust you. Therefore, you will get today an ankle monitor so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. If you ever have anything, I will put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. Do you understand me? Okay.
And just to be clear with Mr. Gonzalez, that's gonna be until your case is resolved, because I know you're young, you're wearing shorts, you're gonna do all that things.
You're going to have a very embarrassing ankle monitor on you that tests your alcohol in your body 24 hours, 7 days a week. And if it ever goes hot, your butt's going in. You understand? Okay.
Thank you.
right.
Would be excused.
Please.
Other than you want.
All right, Vic, you ready? Come on.
With an agreement, first council here, and today.
Really?
She was a motion. We filed it back in April, but she continues to testify for THC. It looks like there was somewhere in the region of what we're seeing. She lined it out and her paperwork showed from the court.
Okay. 30,003.
No.
Yeah.
And she testified
The
that.
wrong one, 24.
That's right.
Oh, you got a signature? Okay. Sorry.
All right.
That I hold it. Okay.
So 30,005, sorry, she has a bunch of FTAs.
He's asking me who is it, and Mark. I told him, okay. He's Argentinian. Soy chileno. Chileno, perdón. No, no, perdón. Please.
It's coming. That's fine.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I can't hear that. Goes on one of the phone. Yes. Is that? Straight. I'm sorry. Yes. The order of the paperwork is to make Yeah, 261, 551. We're ready.
Judge, will we approach?
Yes, what was the last name again?
Luke.
That's right.
Oh, you see,
Mr. Luke, you know, I know that you want to plead guilty. I know you're ready to be done with this, but there is a very big chance if you go to trial, there may be a different outcome.
Can I ask you a question?
Well, it's probably better for you to ask your lawyer and then he can,
he says he has a problem with immigration, judge. He's going back to the immigration. He's not
I know.
concerned about the case, it's my problem.
I know, but these types of cases may very well be killer cases if you ever want to come back to the United States. Your lawyer is advising you not to do this. We can set this for trial and give you a pretty quick trial. Once you plead guilty, it stays like this forever. You cannot appeal this. You can never change it. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Even though your lawyer's telling you not to do this, you still want to plead guilty?
What do I say? Yes, I'm gonna do it anyway.
I'm going to make a notation here that this is against the advice of your lawyer. And that Abel is advising to go to trial. Do you have any questions? You're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, exclude you from the country, or deny you naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. What that means is that when you plead guilty, you can never undo this or change this. Are you sure you want to do this? How do you plead to the offense of assault? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
There is also an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that as a result of this plea bargain, you can never own a gun or ammunition. And if you ever pick up another assault like this, you will be facing a third-degree felony. Minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. Knowing all this, you still want to go forward? Okay, all right, I will find you guilty. I'm gonna follow the agreement, send it you to it. And good luck to you, Mr. Luke. Ms. Bailey, hi, good afternoon. What's up? Just the last name of your client, please.
Smith.
Smith, okay. And where are we headed with Mr. Smith?
Well, Judge, we're requesting a PTI and the application was in. And then I had an email that says to the chief of the court, see the chief of the court, and the chief of the court said that I need to do a mitigation packet because it's above 0.15, so I need one setting to get the mitigation packet in.
Okay, you're near 180 days, so we give you 2 weeks.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
I didn't know we had this.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll give you 2 weeks and just make sure, please have your client do it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll be in.
Okay,
I
great.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, so Gatterson had a criminal mischief. He also, what was the other case that he had open?
I many do there is, is it the fourth bank county?
Yeah,
Okay. Just go to the fire. Thank you.
So he needs to be here on that day, Judge.
yeah, if it's not done, yes.
If it's not done.
If it's not done, he's got to be here.
Okay. It'll be done.
Well, I hope so.
It's a requirement here under the 80. Yeah, that one's good, so it's not really. It looks like it's a criminal district and. There.
Okay, who's next? Thank you, Farman.
Top of 5, with the required parenting is also here.
Okay, 5,001.
Bottom of 13, you revoked it for how much?
3,001.
All right, bottom of 14, was it NPR that failed to appear? Council came in, wrote the form and said, you told them to be here.
10,003 on all of them. And I'll do a bail order now. Or no, just on the assault, just the assaults here today. The other ones are still in open status, right?
Yes.
So 10,003 on just the assault.
Okay. Ready for the next one?
No, not yet. Okay, who's next?
Bottom of 21. You revoked it for how much?
5,001.
Top of 24 is check in council in late and elect and having someone.
Okay, it's just roll to tomorrow then, I guess. I don't know what to tell you.
All right, Judge, next is.
Did you dismiss Rosales? Or did you guys, I saw you guys talking to Jesse about Rosales.
He's sending in a PTI application.
He didn't talk to us and I can't just reset it without talking to them. So I guess we'll roll it till tomorrow.
How long was the PTI and all of it? We didn't have a PTI offer yet. We never had an application in. It did have too long prior to today.
Wait, so what is it? What did you say?
We have two offers on it right now.
Did they put in a PTI packet?
So he is applying for PTI now.
Okay, it's 190 days old, man. No, we'll roll till tomorrow. He's gonna have to reach out to his. We don't just reset stuff without a lawyer.
Top of 28 was an arraignment that fell to here.
2501.
Right, Judge, and then the last one is, but I need to give you
Okay.
25382219. This is the cases, he's in the jury box.
What time did he get here?
And then
I mean, what am I supposed to do about this now? Come up, Mr. Thompson. Why is it that you can't come on time? Why is it that you can't come on time? Have we reinstated this bond? Do you have the cause number? Have we reinstated any of the bonds before?
No, sir.
You continue, I want you to listen. You continue to pick up new cases and you continue to fail to appear. You come to court when you want to come to court, not when you're ordered to come to court. That's not the way the court system works, Mr. Thompson. Who's the assault against, please?
I'm sorry, Judge, I don't have the policy number.
Oh, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
It's 257-1700.
1730.
1700.
The worker at the hotel, but the defendant was outside.
What hotel?
1500 North Stand, just in front.
Do we have any?
Looks like it's a Stay America, extended stay.
Okay, hey, I'm gonna reinstate the bond now. Mr. Thompson, I don't want to have to put you in jail, but if you ever fail to appear again, you will go to jail. And if you're taking a medication and you go to jail, it's probably not gonna go very well for you. Because Harris County Jail has do you understand? Over and over, and I'm sick of you not showing up. I understand that you have health conditions, but that doesn't give you a pass to repeatedly fail to appear and repeatedly pick up cases. You're on bond for mischief. You've not picked up an assault case. No waived appearances. And the criminal mischief is around 6 months old. So you're on bond for a criminal mischief and you picked up an assault case. You have two open cases at this time. I don't know. But I'm going to have you meet with a lawyer today. Is discovery complete on both cases?
Let me check those. On the assault. Yes, Judge. And then on the criminal mischief, yes.
Great. Discovery is complete. Let's do one setting. He'll meet with the lawyer today. He's got to be here at the next setting. Put offers on the case now, please. And then we'll go forward. If you fail to appear again, I'm not going to reinstate your bond a fourth time. Do you understand? Okay, just take a seat and then, can you? Okay. Hi, Jesse.
Yes, sir. This is
So,
Mr. Sanchez Gonzalez.
yeah, I'm glad that you came back. We were going to roll it to tomorrow. I know that you want to, so you want to apply for PTI?
Yes, it was a .09. We got paperwork ready. We could do a walkthrough for you.
Are you turning everything in now?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, great. Yeah, we'll do the walkthrough today.
And then do walkthrough. And
Yeah, we'll
then-
give you a couple weeks.
and then-
Okay. Yeah, wonderful. Great.
There's Cynthia and Lisa, Thompson, and she's about to move on.
Okay. How are you, Mr. Kim?
Well, I got a little sick, so, you know, it's good.
Did you work intake last night?
The night before, I worked 34 hours and I was awake, so.
Dude, that's nuts. Why?
Deadlines and anything.
Um,
Like, it's a little sleep, right?
Right,
Yeah.
I'm at a distance of
It's fine.
It was all for like, PPRs. Or failure to appears.
We got everything done.
You can't get overtime too, huh?
No.
That's the worst part. That's like,
It's,
well, I wish you could.
I think I maxed out my comp 4 months into this job. When I.
That's, I've heard that. You're not the first person. Yeah.
Dude, like, even that comp, that doesn't.
I mean, I was hoping that it would change to where you guys could, you need time off. You just will get burned out. You need to take time off.
That was my time to stop here. That's why it's better now, but yeah, sometimes we could just.
It's like all work and no play make,
Yeah.
from The Shining, you know?
Okay, what do you want to do with that? Just show me the. This is Monday.
It's not insane if you're working out yet on weeks. Cash it is. But also, when I came in, I was the defense attorney first, and so I went to felony really quickly. So when you.
Tactical units are at the courthouse. Did you hear about that?
Right
Here?
now.
Yeah. With long guns and tear gas launchers.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah.
We're in here. Oh my God.
Here.
I was about to go into line.
Well, I don't know.
You guys are gonna have to juggle grand jury schedules, your trial dockets, and look a lot more insane. You're gonna have witness lists that are multiple pages long, it's not one name, it's not. And you're gonna have extras, you're gonna have. Any, spirit, like, how to use your phone. Depending on what division you're in.
Should we use cost numbers or do you think we should?
I would say.
Hi, Cynthia.
Hi, Judge. I'm sorry I didn't change my name on my iPad. It
That's,
says-
no, stop. I thank you for coming, but we just had this gentleman walk in at about 10 minutes ago. So
Yes, sir.
I'm not showing the courtroom just because of,
That's fine,
but
Judge.
I will say this, that Mr. Thompson has looks like a trach. So he is unable to speak.
All right.
So he uses a pad to write everything.
Okay.
He has, I mean, you can see, I've set the bonds at 10,003 just because of all the drama. I have just reinstated his bond. I've admonished him that if he ever fails to appear again, I'm not going to do it again. Because this is not the first rodeo we have where he's failed to appear. The first case is rather old. Discovery's complete on both cases. So what I was going to do is, I guess, give him a short reset so that you guys can come back and meet. I don't know, let's say a week. You tell me what day's best for you and we'll just have him come back on that day.
All right, Judge. Would Friday the 7th work for you?
I'm
Friday the 1st. I'm sorry, I said the 7th and I meant the 1st.
Are you okay?
How about May the 4th?
How about May 4th?
Yes, ma'am. That works for, I have one set that date. Or 5th, if that would be better if you could do the 5th.
Yeah, of course. Absolutely. Come up, Mr. Thompson.
And I'm going to ask that the state go ahead and connect me to the cases to give your court staff opportunity.
And then, do you have a cell phone? Do you have a cell phone? Do you have a telephone? What is the phone number? Please write down your phone number.
That's a good idea, Judge, because that way we can probably text.
Right. I'll get it for you and then I'm going to chat it for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He's looking it up right now. Okay, bear with me. Okay, let me see. So, okay. It's okay. I have appointed you, Miss Henley, to represent you. She's going to reach out to you within the next 30 minutes to an hour. You're going to probably have to text, since you're unable to speak, you'll have to text with her. And then we're going to set your case for May 4th. We'd like you to come back on May 4th so you can meet with the lawyer and go through all the evidence. And then you can make a decision on what you want to do. Do you understand? Or I'm sorry, May 5th. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to have you sign a reset, then we'll let you go. And then just be ready for your lawyer. Her phone number will also be on your reset, and we'll have Victoria circle it so you know which one is her phone number. And we'll see you on May 5th here. Please.
Then turn left onto Commerce Street. Right this way. So I can sign to your Lisa.
Okay,
Can I get her bar number? I'm just gonna attach.
what's your bar number?
17409100.
Okay, great.
Thank you,
Thank you
Judge.
so
and
much
I'll
for
work
coming.
on
I
that.
appreciate it.
Yes, Judge, I'll work on that discovery today, sir.
Great. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Have fun.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, guys. You ready? Hey.
Yes, we're approaching on Mr.
Uh,
Yep, we're approaching on Mr. Masso.
Did you say Lasso?
Masso.
Masso.
M-A-S-O.
Judge, were there any bond conditions?
No.
Pretrial services and bond petitions from the previous.
Okay. What's the deal, Pickle?
Judge, he would like to request that a bond not be set. I will let you explain.
What's, say you?
I believe a reasonable bond should be set, but I think this would be more fruitful if he came out, because I don't know what his financial capabilities are. And it's
And I did, Judge, and I did tell him that these bonds are seen as high risk, so bonding companies can require
Yeah.
the full amount to be paid. He still wants to.
Okay, that's not a problem. Just beware. Just if
He is one of
muscle. Yeah.
For the record, they are gonna get the government for it if he's not bonded out, so they're willing to get
I gotcha.
What's
It's two vehicle thefts over $25,000. He has no other history, which is why I said as long as a reasonable bond is set, but it's warranted for 2025. It's not.
do you know, has he been to court before?
No, it's not an FDA judge. It's a two.
Okay, you're free to go. Oh, this is it.
It's just so close. You can pick up bomb now. Because they picked up another weekend, because if they did it the field, he could have actually genuinely gone back before.
Hey, this Victoria. This is it, right?
Okay. Thank you.
And he has money from stealing cars.
Does he speak English? Oh, crap. We need a translator.
Yes, I texted her already.
Oh, okay, we're gonna have to wait then.
It's fine. What's appropriate?
I would say 7,500. It is two vehicles, so $5,000.
Okay.
Last one.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, no, wait, that's.
Mr. Muscle, you were wanted out of, where was it?
Louisiana.
Louisiana for 2 counts of auto theft. Your lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know. I have to see how much criminal history there is. I have to, and we have to figure out whether if we set you a bond, are you going to go back? So these are things that we look at to determine whether to set you a bond. If so, how much? Okay.
Your Honor, due to the fact that these are two vehicle thefts over $25,000.
Hold on. Okay.
And the fact that Calcasieu Parish wishes there to be a no bond until his body is returned. Calcasieu Parish. The name is Calcasieu Parish.
He's wanted out of Louisiana.
Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't understand. Yeah. The concept of parishes is just very fun. Yeah.
Como condado.
Como condado. Sí.
Right.
How you call it, parish?
Parish, they're called parishes.
Yes,
Instead of county.
okay.
And that because it's Louisiana, that they will come within the week.
Y porque Louisiana se retira dentro de una semana.
If he waives extradition.
Si usted renuncia a que lo extraditen,
State requests a reasonable bond of $7,500.
La Fiscalía está solicitando una fianza razonable de 7.500.
I would also like to ask how he will transport back, as I don't see a valid driver's license.
Él también, él no ve que usted tiene licencia de conducir. I do have a license.
Okay, well, well,
Can I say something? Hablé con el abogado.
yo tengo CDS, yo tengo CDL, yo tengo.
He's saying he's got a driver's license, he's got a CDL and a TWIP card, and he would be willing to go out to Louisiana to take care of these warrants.
Por. Hasta el lunes que yo había viajado para México, en el aeropuerto me dice lo que tenía esa orden de arresto me el año pasado. O sea,
Yeah, Judge, he found out while he was traveling, on Monday, then he was going to the airport and he realized that he had a warrant. He didn't know before. Yeah, Judge, it seemed like it wasn't through 2D.
no tenía ni un correo electrónico, no tengo ni una llamada.
Are you not able to see that he has a CDL?
I haven't run Louisiana separately. I've only run it from Texas.
Por ejemplo,
Oh, see, it's a Texas driver's license.
41.
I'll run it again.
Do you want his deal over there?
Yes, please. Well, I mean, if he has it, he can show it. I just want to make sure that he has
He
it.
says he has.
Look, the other thing is that I'm gonna probably require his passport prior to, so that he can't go anywhere else. You know, if you want me to set you a bond, I will. You need to understand that we have buses coming from Louisiana here every couple days. If you were to waive, you would probably be back to Louisiana within the next couple days. Otherwise, if you want a bond, you will probably have to pay most, if not all. Because you are a flight risk.
Judge, I think that the flight risk is minimized with the fact that, you know, it was a 2B, he didn't know about this, I think if he had known about this, he would have taken care of it, from what he said. I understand that.
Sure, but if you want me to set you a bond, like I said, before I do, I'm gonna require you to surrender your passport.
¿Lo tiene?
En mi,
¿Lo tiene acá con usted?
en mi pertenencia, pero.
Lo tiene aquí, yeah, I think.
And
yeah.
then I can set you a bond. What amount do you guys think?
Yeah, the state would request a bond of 7,500. And especially if he is a commercial driver, that he's able to obviously freely move around the state, and there's a concern.
Okay. But he's asking if it would be possible to have a reduction on this bond amount.
Have a what?
A reduction.
Oh, what do you think?
¿Cuánto?
4,000,
5,000.
5,000.
I would probably cut it in half to what, like, you guys like the 5,000, so maybe, 6,500, 6,250, cut it in half. Maybe 6,000, I guess.
$6,000. Okay.
Okay. Before we set it, we need your passport.
I'll get with him on that process, because he's saying that his passport might be.
By being the-
Yeah,
Okay.
it might be property, so
Okay.
we have to
Yeah.
get a third party authorization for someone to go retrieve his passport.
Sorry, once you get it, at that point, we'll set it. and
Una vez que ella va a ir a revisar el pasaporte, entonces puede hacer la
that's between you guys. The last thing I need to tell you, if you do bond out, we give you 14 days for you to go turn yourself into Louisiana.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
But I want you to understand, it is a requirement. You turn yourself in to Calcasieu Parish Jail within 14 days of your release.
How many days?
14.
14 días que salga.
If you fail to do that,
Si usted no hace eso,
I will revoke your bond,
le va a revocar su fianza,
set it at 0,
le va a poner 0 fianza.
and I will not give you another one.
Usted tiene 14 días para entregar el fianza. Ah, yeah, okay.
Anything else?
Do you want to carry it over for the passport or do you want?
Yeah, this is gonna have to be carried over.
Yeah, do it.
Parece que hay una nueva fecha porque tienen que ir a conseguir el pasaporte. ¿Y por qué no quieren esperar a irse?
Sí, pero digamos, cuando normalmente ya soy otro, quisiera
Ah, sí, pero igual no lo van a hacer hoy.
No, because I need to sign the reception with the system. So,
No, we gotta get the passport first.